What if the secret to an impenetrable immune system isn't found in a synthetic laboratory, but was written into the very soil of the ancient world? Every day, your body is engaged in a silent, microscopic war against a relentless tide of seasonal pathogens and environmental toxins. Most people wait until they are symptomatic to act, unaware that ancient records from the biblical world were already utilizing specific immunity shields, biologically active compounds that modern immunology is now proving can prime your white blood cells at the genetic level. Welcome to Ancient Vitality, where we bridge the gap between ancient secrets and modern clinical evidence to help you reclaim your biological potential. Today, we journey into the world of 7 unique biblical immunity healers that have remained hidden in the shadows of history, ranked from essential to life-changing. These are not your typical supermarket supplements. They are rare immunomodulators. Pay close attention to number 5, because it contains a specific sulfur-based molecule that modern research shows can physically dismantle the protective coating of seasonal viruses. And stay tuned for number 7, because this legendary root was once the primary defense against systemic decay, and modern trials are finally revealing its stunning ability to regenerate the body's first-line defenders. If you are ready to build a shield that guards you through every season, listen closely. We begin our journey with a seed so revered in the ancient Near East, it was called the seed of blessing. While many focus on common spices, Nigella Sativa contains a unique bioactive compound called thymoquinone. Modern immunology has discovered that this molecule increases the activity of natural killer NK cells. These are the specialized soldiers of your immune system that detect and destroy virally infected cells before they can spread. It is the biological early warning system that most modern diets are missing. Moving to the rocky hillsides of the ancient world, we find the vibrant red berries of sumac. Long before citrus fruits were widely available, the ancients used sumac to maintain resilience during harsh winters. Modern science reveals that sumac is packed with tannins and anthocyanins that have an ORAC score, a measure of antioxidant capacity, far higher than most superfoods. It works by neutralizing free radicals that weaken the immune response, effectively acting as a molecular shield that prevents your defenses from being overwhelmed by environmental stress. The third pillar takes us to the ancient spice routes where star anise was prized for its cleansing breath. What the ancients knew intuitively, modern medicine has confirmed. Star anise is the primary natural source of shikimic acid. This is the exact base ingredient used in modern antiviral medications. Shikimic acid works by inhibiting the enzyme that allows viruses to replicate and release from a host cell. By incorporating this ancient spice, you are providing your body with a natural blockade, stopping seasonal threats in their tracks. Next, we look at a plant that thrives in the cracks of ancient biblical walls, the caper. While often dismissed as a garnish, ancient healers recognized it as a powerful tonic for the blood and spirit. Modern research has found that capers are the world's most concentrated source of quercetin. Quercetin is a potent ionophore, meaning it helps transport zinc into your cells, where it can effectively shut down viral replication. It is the key that unlocks your body's internal pharmacy. This brings us to the 5th and perhaps most aggressive protector, horseradish, one of the original bitter herbs of the ancient world. Its sharp, piercing aroma is a sign of isothiocyanates. Modern science shows that these compounds stimulate the mucous membranes to flush out pathogens instantly. But deeper than that, they act as an antibiotic for the respiratory system, clearing out the biofilms that bacteria use to hide from your immune system. It is a master flush for your respiratory defenses. The 6th healer is a gift from the ancient high deserts, juniper berries. Mentioned as a source of protection and purification, these berries contain terpenin, 4-OL. Modern trials have shown that this compound can stimulate the production of monocytes, the white blood cells that act as the cleanup crew for your immune system. By enhancing the body's ability to filter out cellular debris, juniper ensures that your immune system doesn't get bogged down by the waste of previous battles, keeping it sharp for new threats. Finally, we reach the 7th and most transformative immune healer, Astragalus. While its roots are deep in ancient history, it was a staple for those traveling through harsh, changing climates. Modern science has discovered that Astragalus contains polysaccharides that can actually increase the length of telomeres, the caps on your DNA, while specifically boosting the production of T cells. It doesn't just boost your immune system, it regenerates it from the foundation, ensuring your defenses remain as youthful and resilient as they were decades ago. The ancient world understood that health was not the absence of disease, but the presence of an unbreakable defense. They guarded their vitality with the most potent tools the earth could provide. By returning to these 7 biblical shields, from the blessing seed to the regenerative power of Astragalus, you are reclaiming a level of immunity that the modern world has tried to suppress. Drop a comment below. Will you start with the viral blockade of star anise or the cellular cleanup of Juniper? I read every comment. Subscribe to Ancient Vitality, and we'll see you in the next one.